Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Love with Food tasting unboxing.
Can I talk?
Yes, I have my snack helper here.
Oh my.
I guess this is the March box.
Ooh. What's in it?
Maybe it's February. I've lost track. Hold on. Let's show them what this first one was. Stash. Stash was founded in Portland, Oregon in 1972 by two hippies seeking a tea euphoria. So we have two in there, a breakfast in Paris and a chocolate mint. Ooh, what'd you find? Oh, these are good. I don't think we've had the blueberry ones, but this is by Appleways, and it's a wholesome oatmeal bar.
Look, I found.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's excited. Hold on a second, we gotta show them. So next we have grain-free tortilla chips, a sprinkle of sea salt, and it's made with avocado oil. Those are probably good.
That's our Friday gift.
What should we look at next?
Yes.
This one? This is a perfect granola.
Look, I found.
Coconut cranberry. Sounds pretty good. And then you also picked out Bakery on Main White Chip Raspberry Swirl Granola. Real raspberries, creamy white chips, and 17 whole grams. That sounds yummy.
Look, I found.
Ooh, what's that? Are those treats for you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
These are treats for me too.
Fruits and veggies. Yay. Love your fruit. Peel and eat fruit leather. Passion fruit Power Pals. Those are probably good. Moon cheese. Our friend likes this, so we might pass this to her. This is a white cheddar black pepper.
It's for our friends.
Yeah, they're like little balls of cheese puffs, basically. I believe they're keto, which is why she eats them.
These are my treats.
Those are yours? Let me see what that one is. Ooh, Lily's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Yum.
Those are mine to eat.
Stevia sweetened cocoa, no sugar added.
I eat those.
Mm-hmm. And what's that? It looks like a chopstick. Is that what it is?
It's
Chopsticks taste like wood, but noodles are delicious. Noodliest. Plant-based instant noodles.
I'm very hungry.
Huh, that is pretty interesting. So yeah, it's just a pair of chopsticks, which is kind of cool. Little addition to the box where there's a promo code for their noodles. So that's what I got in my box today. If you guys are interested, I have all their information below and a link to where you can join and get your own subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.